Hi everybody, this is Chris with Invest LYH. Thanks for watching the video. This is just a short video that I cannot believe that I'm sitting outside in the middle of August, at the end of August, going into September. As you know, I invest outside of Lynchburg. I have homes in Texas and in Florida. Well, I was the type of investor who bought a home, lived in it, and that was my house hack. Bought it with conventional financing, lived in it, and then I rented it out. To say that I was sitting outside doing a video at the end of August is just amazing to me. That is one of the reasons why I love it here in Lynchburg, Virginia. It is just somebody once told me it's like having an extended spring and an extended fall. I believe that now since I've been here. So this is a real estate commercial. Let's talk a little bit about real estate. The market is softening. The local Lynchburg market, I think it's going to be okay. I think over the next few months, we'll see how it works out. I know that some of the readings that I've seen on other markets, like the Dallas market, it is starting to soften. There's more and more price reductions that I've seen come through on my phone, on the apps on my phone for the Dallas market. I don't necessarily know that that's going to hit here in Lynchburg. We don't have the fluctuations like a Dallas or like certain areas around the country. So that's good, because what happens is when you don't have the bumps, you also don't have the downward pressure on the prices either. So it's an interesting market, and we'll see how it works out over the next few months. I think that we're coming to the end of selling season, right? So we're going to have the natural build of inventory into September, into October, and we'll see if there's some deals out there. I'm finding that it's a little bit more difficult to find the cash-on-cash return deals that I found in the spring. I do actually have a lead on a property in Richmond that I might be doing a video on. It's 3 duplexes. I sent out to ask for the rental rolls to see if we can, because you guys know I use Rentometer, but what I wanted to do for this one is I wanted to see if I can get the actual rent rolls to do a cash-on-cash analysis where Invest LYH would go through the state of Virginia. So we're just going to take a quick look at that and just see how it works. So, but yeah, I mean, I saw today that I got 16 subscribers. You guys, I appreciate that. You don't know how much I appreciate it. I'm just kind of sharing my cash-on-cash journey and just seeing what we can do in terms of helping the other investors out here in Lynchburg. And I know that there's a couple of people who have watched from outside of Lynchburg just to kind of learn how to do cash-on-cash return. It helps me. Hopefully it helps you guys. I can analyze a property pretty quickly, especially now on my, I don't even know, 20th video than when on my first. I watched some of the first ones and I'm like, holy cow, what was I thinking? But I do it because I want to help you guys really be able to analyze a property quickly. I've been learning more and more about like internal rate of return, and that might be something that I do in the future, but as it stands right now, you guys know me. I believe in cash-on-cash return from day one. And I watched a video earlier today from a content creator, and what they said was, oftentimes people forget that the cash-on-cash return, it grows over time, and we often forget about that time dimension. So anyway, I want to keep this under 5 minutes. If you guys are watching right now, that's great. I appreciate it. Give me a like, and hopefully I can get a video done this weekend. I have gone back to school, so I'm going to have less and less time to do this, but I'm going to try to do at least 1 video a week. Thanks so much, guys.